Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a sent currency symbol on your Google Sheets mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a sent symbol, currency symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. So first of all, I just open a document here. So if you just click on this, plus symbol, you can't find a insert symbol option. So instead of that, you can just use your own keyboard. Here I just going to use my Google keyboard or Gboard. You can just use any one of the keyboard. Here just using Google keyboard. Okay, so let's just select it and enter to the formula option. Click on this number section, just long press here on the dollar symbol. You can see a pop-up here like this. Just insert the send symbol. This is how you just insert send symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. So you can just insert it, just long press it, you will have this pop-up. You can just insert the send symbol like this, or just click this, and here also you will have this option to insert the send symbol and click OK. That's it. This is how you just insert the send currency symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.